Hey guys, got something for my birthday. Wife got it for me. It's a survival chainsaw. So we're gonna test it out. Haven't tested it out yet, so let's do that. It's only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 actual teeth on it, and the rest are just links. So let's see what happens. Hopefully I get this in frame. I don't know. I don't have viewfinder on the camera. Okay. Looks pretty sturdy. Double stitched on these hand straps. Looks pretty good. We'll find out. Alright, we'll go for right here. There you go. Well, that wasn't too hard. Cut through it really well. There you go. Survival chainsaw. Pretty neat. Alright. Just a quick demonstration while I was preparing my fire. So that works. I'll get another piece and keep going. I'll talk to you guys later.